Power on. Set the required content according to the guidance. Click Start and wait for the device self-test to complete. Click AF Calib. Start calibration. If calibration fails, proceed to the software for manual focus calibration. Move the laser module to the top left position. Open the software and click Settings at the bottom right. Click Start calibration. Place the focusing bar on the baseplate plane. Align the auxiliary laser point with the baseplate. Then sequentially click to calibrate from the baseplate to the 3-step focusing bar until a pop-up message appears, after which proceed to the next step. Move the focusing bar to the edge, ensuring the auxiliary laser point aligns with the baseplate. Close the door. Click Online Focus and wait for focusing to complete. Click Next. Power on. Check whether the top plane of the focusing bar aligns with the laser head position. If not aligned, adjust the position by lowering or raising the Z-axis to achieve a proper fit. Close the door. Randomly select a file and enter the Z-axis adjustment page. Click Z-axis raise and adjust to the appropriate position. Place the focusing bar at the bottom of the laser output port again and check if aligned. Close the door. Click Distance Compensation. After successful distance compensation, click Next. Click Complete Data Upload Successful. Click Confirm. Click Autofocus at the bottom right and wait for autofocus to complete. Check alignment again.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.